Good morning, 10th class students. Today we will solve our question number 12. Question is from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower is 60 degree and angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Means here we will draw here first a diagram from a top of 7-meter high building and a tower. So this is a tower and this is a base and this is, let us suppose, 7 meter high building A B, and this is a from here from a top of 7-meter high building. This is the top of 7-meter high building. The angle of elevation, you know the angle of elevation from bottom to top. So angle of elevation with the top of the tower is 60 degree, and here we will draw here a line parallel to BC. So this is A B C D and E point. So here is angle of elevation 60 degree with the top of the cable tower, and from its foot of tower, the angle of depression is 45 degree. This is the diagram. Repeat: angle of elevation with the top of the 7-meter high building with the top of the cable tower with 60 degree, and from its foot of a tower, which makes 45 degree angle of depression with the top of the building. And we know that AD is parallel to BC, so therefore AD equal to BC, and AB is parallel to CD, therefore AB equal to CD equal to 7 meter. So this is a 7 meter. Now angle EAD equal to 60 degree, and angle DAC equal to angle ACB equal to 45 degree because of alternate angle, because AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal line, so therefore angle ACB will be 45 degree. Now in triangle AED, tan 60 degree equal to DE over AD. This will be equal to, what is the value of tan 60? Root 3, and here DE over AD, equation number 1. And in triangle ACB, tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular AB and base BC. So tan 45 1, and AB is 7, and BC, which means BC equal to 7. We know that because BC equal to AD equal to 7 meter, because they are parallel. So therefore number 1 implies under root 3 equal to DE over AD. AD means 7. Here AD is equal to 7. So this will be equal to DE equal to 7 root 3 meter. Now height of tower. Tower CE, tower is CE equal to CD plus DE. And what is the value of CD? CD is 7. CD is here 7, and DE is here 7 root 3 meter. Taking 7 common inside 1 plus root 3 meter. So if you want to actually calculate the height of the tower, putting the value of root 3, 1 plus 1.73, this will be equal to 2 multiplied 2.73. We get after multiplying 6 7, this is 7 multiply 2.73, 19.11 meter. This will be equal to 19.11 meter exact height of the tower. Thank you.